race in like a month. The last time we ran is when the drag truck fell on its face and we won in the finals. Since then we pulled the pan off, checked everything, new fluid, everything seems to be normal, cleaned the fuel filter, so we'll see if that makes a difference. But we're about to go up here for round one. We are racing club today, excuse me, test pass one. We'll see what it does. Hopefully, knock on wood, it's all good to go now, but there's only one way to find out, I guess. That time we had a 39 light, a 144 60 foot, and then we ran a 1070 at 122, which it is hot today, so it's gonna be a little slow, but not too bad. I think we'll just hang with one test pass and then just go see what happens.
Let's go to bracket number 1.
Trying to not go red on that one. We dialed a 1072 at the very end. He came right up on me. I let off at the very end and we ran a 73 on a 72. Good for the win. He broke out by 1. So good close race. We're on to the next round. Got it done. That one we had kind of a little staging duel, I guess. He went in first, and typically whoever pre-stages first stages first, but he didn't want to. So we sat there for a second, and then I just went ahead and jumped in. We dialed a 1070, we had a 50 light, and we ran a 1071 at 115, letting off at the end. He was having some problems, so yeah, I need to get that 50 light dialed in, and we should be good to go. Is going on, but the drag truck is on a roll tonight, and I'm not complaining. We had a 27 reaction time. We dialed a 1067 and ran a 1067 at 119, so still killed a couple mile an hour, but we are on to the next round. There was 14 of us, so there's 7 of us left, so we will just hopefully keep it going. Done it again. We had a 44 light, 144 60 foot. We dialed a 1065, ran a 1065 at 116. I let off at the end, obviously, to run 116. I think there's 3 or 4 of us left. Teeth. He had some sort of problem going on and he just rolled through right through the beams. I was watching him, and once he rolled through, I just tried not to go red, so I just sat there till the light was green. Yeah, I had a 230 light. We dialed 1061. Good thing, because the truck spun super bad. We had a 149 60 foot, so we're gonna have to get that dialed in for the final round here. Then we ran a 1068 at 123. So we're gonna dial for the spin, I guess, and we'll see what happens. It's a roll of dice at this point. Almost had it, but we just could not get it done in the final round. Since we ran a 68 that last pass spinning, we dialed a 66 and kind of just dialed for the spin. Again, when it spun that last pass, that threw everything off, so I didn't really even know what I was going to dial. Ended up going with a 66. We both had some pretty late reaction times. We're trying not to go red. We were both in the 1.0s for reaction time. We had a 144 60 foot, and then I was just trying to play the big end. We ended up running a 1070 on a 1066. He was closer, and unfortunately we couldn't get it done for the 4th time. We still had an awesome race though. Really glad we made it to the finals. That's gonna be it for today's video. We'll try again next time. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take it easy. We'll catch you on the next one.